Remember those futuristic weapons you saw in Star Wars? The laser beams, invisible shields, and autonomous robots that seemed like pure fantasy? Well, be ready, because today's military technology is turning yesterday's science fiction into today's reality. From laser defense systems to invisible tanks, the battlefield is evolving at a pace that would make Iron Man do a double take. SkyEx defense system. In an age where tiny drones can wreak massive havoc, Germany has developed something straight out of a video game. Meet SkyEx, the air defense system that's giving military commanders peaceful night's sleep. This bad boy can track and eliminate threats within a 2.5-mile radius, spitting out up to 1,000 rounds per minute with its 35mm ammunition. But here's the kicker. While traditional air defense missiles can cost up to $250,000 each, SkyEx units come in at a surprisingly modest $4,000. Talk about bang for your buck! And if that's not sci-fi enough for you, they're already testing a 30-kilowatt laser version. Star Wars anyone? The robot dog that bites. Doggo. Remember those robot dogs you saw in dystopian movies? Well, say hello to Doggo, the 22-pound mechanical K9 that's revolutionizing close-quarter combat. Armed with a 9mm Glock pistol and moving like a ninja, this mechanical marvel can sprint at 4 miles per hour, climb stairs, and even execute precision shots at targets up to 18 feet away. With 360-degree vision capabilities and 8 color cameras, it's like having a special forces operator in robot form. Need to communicate with hostiles? Doggo's got two-way audio. Need to subdue without lethal force? It's packing pepper spray too. Bobab K and M139 air volcano. When it comes to area denial, Poland's Bobab K system is changing the game. A single vehicle with just 2 crew members can create a minefield 2,000 yards long and 100 yards wide in just 22 minutes. That's like securing an entire football stadium's worth of territory in less time than it takes to watch a sitcom episode. And if you thought that was impressive, wait till you hear about its aerial counterpart. The M139 air volcano helicopter can drop 960 mines in a single mission. M1150ABV. But what about clearing those deadly minefields? Enter the M1150ABV, the 72-ton beast that turns minefields into safe passages. This $16 million war machine doesn't just clear mines, it laughs at them. Equipped with a massive mine plow and line charges packed with C4 explosives, it can detonate hidden threats from 500 feet away. Think of it as a very expensive, very effective street sweeper, except instead of cleaning trash, it's saving lives. Patria 6x6. Ever seen a personnel carrier that handles like a rally car and swims like a fish? The Patria 6x6 does exactly that. Paired with its 120mm Nemo mortar system, this vehicle is like the Swiss Army knife of combat vehicles. Need to cross a river? No problem, just switch to amphibious mode. Need to support ground troops? Its mortar system has got you covered. It's so versatile, there's even a naval version that can engage moving enemy ships. Smart Bunker Buster. Think you're safe in your underground bunker? Think again. Modern bunker buster bombs are like the world's most determined drill, except they're traveling at supersonic speeds. Carried by the legendary B-2 stealth bomber, these monsters can punch through 62 feet of reinforced concrete that's taller than a 5-story building. Filled with a nasty cocktail of tritol and aluminum powder, these bombs make sure that what goes down must come up in pieces. Mission Master UGV. Every soldier's dream is having a reliable partner, and the Mission Master UGV is exactly that. This unmanned ground vehicle can carry 2,200 pounds of equipment, conduct reconnaissance, evacuate casualties, and even engage enemies with its mounted weapon system. With a range of 466 miles without refueling, it's like having a tireless battle buddy who never complains about heavy loads or long missions. Cockerill IX. If Batman designed a military vehicle, it would probably look like the Cockerill IX. This ground-based interceptor can hit speeds of 124 miles per hour on roads and 99 miles per hour off-road, making it the fastest thing on the battlefield that isn't flying. But speed isn't its only party trick. It comes with a fully retractable weapon system and an AI-powered helmet interface that gives operators 360-degree vision and threat assessment capabilities. It's basically a video game come to life. Quantum stealth. Remember Harry Potter's invisibility cloak? Well, Guy Kramer has created something even better. Quantum stealth is a material thinner than paper that can make people, vehicles, and even entire buildings disappear, not just to the naked eye, but to ultraviolet and infrared sensors too. It reduces shadows by up to 90% and costs less than standard camouflage uniforms. The only downside? You might lose your vehicle in the parking lot. MV3 Hestrix. For those mean street situations, the MV3 Hestrix is like a rolling fortress for up to 8 operators. Equipped with infrared and thermal imaging cameras, gas detectors, and enough gadgets to make Batman jealous, this vehicle is perfect for urban operations. Its retractable battering ram means locked doors are merely suggestions, and its poison detectors ensure the crew stays safe from chemical threats. Trophy system. Even tanks need protection these days, and the trophy system is like having a force field around your armored vehicle. This active protection system creates an invisible shield that can detect and destroy incoming threats before they hit the tank. It's so effective that it's being used on multiple platforms, including the Abrams, Leopard 2, and Challenger 3 tanks. The only catch? The high-speed debris it creates might make infantry think twice about getting too close. The Chameleon. Swedish adaptive camouflage. Adaptive camouflage. Sweden has taken camouflage to the next level with their adaptive system that can make a tank look like a car, a bush, or even a rock. Using honeycomb-shaped modules that cover the vehicle, this system can create various visual patterns that fool both human eyes and thermal imaging systems. Future versions might even let helicopters blend in with clouds or ships disappear into waves. It's like having a military-grade Instagram filter. The quick wall, Hesco Mill. Sometimes the old ways are the best ways, but they can always use an upgrade. Hesco's mill system has revolutionized the ancient art of building defensive walls. What used to take 8 people 8 hours can now be done by 2 people in 20 minutes. These reinforced steel containers are like giant military-grade Lego blocks that can stop artillery and explosions. Plus, they can be configured in any layout you need, making them perfect for everything from forward operating bases to emergency flood control. Camero Xaver. Superman's X-ray vision is no longer just a comic book power. The Camero Xaver system lets operators see through walls from over 100 meters away, showing the exact location and movement of people inside buildings. It's like having a tactical radar that works through concrete, making it invaluable for both military operations and rescue missions. Raider X. Imagine combining an Apache helicopter with a Formula One car and you'll get something close to the Raider X. This next-generation helicopter can hit speeds of 200 knots, hover with precision, and comes with a fully digital cockpit that looks more at home in a spacecraft than a helicopter. Its modular weapon systems mean it can be reconfigured for different missions faster than you can change your smartphone case. K9 Vision System. Military working dogs have always been incredible assets, but now they're getting a high-tech upgrade. The K9 Vision System lets handlers see exactly what their four-legged partners see, even from over 2,600 feet away. It works in urban environments, dense vegetation, day or night, and doesn't hinder the dog's movement or capabilities. It's like strapping a GoPro to a highly trained military asset. The Universal Defender N System. Sometimes you need to add some firepower to regular vehicles, and that's where Rheinmetall's N system comes in. This remotely controlled combat module can be fitted to pretty much any vehicle and controlled with a joystick from inside the cabin. It can handle everything from small arms to grenade launchers, and its advanced targeting system means high accuracy in any weather condition. Anti-mine boots. For the brave sappers who deal with mines up close and personal, modern anti-mine boots are literal lifesavers. The UK's PPE 100 and Ukraine's Spider boots can withstand serious explosives while protecting the wearer's lower limbs. These aren't your average work boots, they're engineering marvels that have already saved countless lives in the field. Military technology is advancing at breakneck speed, transforming science fiction into reality. Today's innovations focus not just on weaponry, but on protecting soldiers and minimizing civilian casualties through precise operations. From invisible materials to laser defense systems and AI-powered vehicles, these advancements are revolutionizing warfare while keeping friendly forces safer. Remarkably, many of these cutting-edge technologies are becoming more affordable and accessible. The SkyEx system exemplifies how smart engineering can make advanced military tech more practical and widespread. Looking ahead, we might see fully autonomous battlefields, AI commanders, and energy weapons become commonplace. The future battlefield won't be determined by firepower or troop numbers alone, but by who wields the smartest, most adaptable technology. Based on current trends, this future is approaching more rapidly than anyone anticipated.